Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to draw caricatures of someone's face. You'll see here that I've already downloaded the practice material for us to use. I picked the lovely Scarlett Johansson, so we're going to see if we can make a cartoon out of her face, okay? So generally when I'm drawing my picture, the first thing that I'm concerned with is to do a basic shape of the face, okay? So for this exercise, I have a Crayola marker here, I have a black, and then I also have a gray. So we're gonna kind of just use half of the paper here and see if we can get that image down for you. So let's go ahead and do our basic head shape, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I've kind of mimicked the head shape here. We have her cheekbones being here, and then she has kind of a pointy face. It doesn't have to be exact. Remember, this is a cartoon, not a real life drawing. So you just want to kind of go ahead and do that head shape as you saw me do. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'll add the hair shape. Okay, so I'll start with however the picture comes to me. So I'll do something like this. We'll look at how her hair is here, and we'll do okay. And now on the other side here, I'll just complete the other half of my shape. I'm just going to leave out the arm that really is not pertinent to the drawing, so we don't need to do that. Okay, and now here I'll just add maybe some shoulders, and hopefully you'll be able to see that here on the camera, but we'll just add some here. Okay, now up here I'm just going to add a few little direction lines for my hair, just to give you an idea of how the hair is going to flow once we start to shade it in with our other marker. Okay. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start to put our inner features on the face, okay? So I try to draw almost like you're reading a book. So I'll draw from top to bottom and then left to right. Mirroring each feature. You don't want to skip all over the face. So for instance, if you're drawing an eyebrow, you don't want to draw one eyebrow and skip to her nose and then back to the other eyebrow, because that'll just confuse you. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. I'm just going to do a couple of lines here. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that part real quick. Now we'll draw the eyes in here. And then the next shape that we'll draw is her nose shape. So we'll do something like this here. Okay, now let's go ahead and put our lips. Making them nice and full, because that's one of the things she's kind of known for. And now we're just going to go ahead and give her some eyelashes here. Just like so. And we're going to add a little bit of some little hairs here, maybe to kind of give her a little hairline there. Okay, let's add some lashes here. All right, now it looks great. And now just add a little bit of, give her some shoulders here. And look at that, guys, we have a pretty good cartoon working of our subject by using easy and basic shapes. Now, what I'm going to do next is I like to use a gray when I'm not doing color to bring out the dimensions of the face. In other words, things are not really flat. They actually have curves and sides to them. So I like to use this marker. So let me kind of show you how to do that. It's really easy. All you have to do, I usually start on this side, but it all depends on where you can choose your own light source. So for instance, if your light's coming from this side of the if your light's coming from this side of the paper, you can add a line here. Okay, maybe we can just add a little line here. And then we can do the lips, just like so. Okay, and let's add a little bit of eyeshadow here. And then we'll add a little bit of shade under the nose here, and you'll see that'll bring out that upturn that she kind of has to her nose. Okay, so pretty much we're about to close in on the end of the drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start shading the hair in. So with that part, I'll kind of use this, this is what you call a marks-a-lot marker. You don't want to press really hard with these because she has a blonde, like a brownish blonde to her hair. So let me kind of show you how to use these. I'll just start here and do the base of the hair first. Like I said, you want to use this pretty sparingly. And then I'm going to actually use another marker here in just a sec. So let me just get that out. This is just another dried out marker. I like to use dried out markers to do my hair, because then you can see it doesn't go down as definite, and you can do some really cool things with it. Okay, last but not least, I'll break out my small Sharpie here, And then I just kind of darken in my eyeball here, that pupil. I really want to get that dark because her eyes are so light, so that really is going to put a lot of enhancement on those eyes. And we'll put a little bit of dark here on the side of the mouth. This will just make it come out a little bit more like we want it. And a little dark here. Okay, and last but not least, we can even use this to do some little fine hairs. I like to shoot for that realism. This is totally unnecessary if you don't want to include this part in your drawing. Like I said, this is just my particular style. So hope that you can appreciate that. Taking a few more steps to make it extra special for that person that's sitting in front of me. Okay, so guys, it looks like we did our drawing pretty easily. It was pretty cool. We'll just let me see here, maybe do something like with this just a little bit. And then at the end, you never ever want to forget to sign your work. So I'll just sign here. And there you have it, guys, our quick cartoon drawing. How to put someone's face into a cartoon, starring Scarlett Johansson. So guys, I'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. You guys have a great evening, and we'll be seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.